is happening, everyone, and welcome to our new channel. At Tasty Plants, food is our life, and we'll be showing you guys how to transform your home cooking in every way possible. So join us as we delve deep into a whole new world of delicious, nutritious, colourful and seasonal dishes, ranging from the comfiest of comfort food to the finest of fine dining, food and wine pairing, luscious sauces, nutrient-rich juices, and most of all, we'll be showing you guys how to shop conveniently for the freshest ingredients to construct unforgettable dishes for a well-balanced and active lifestyle so you can rise up and embody your highest potential. Please like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, and let us know what you want us to make. Without further ado, let's cook.